Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute since I've been posting, but it's a special occasion this weekend for me, so I have to vlog. And yes, it's my birthday, like I vlogged last year. It's gonna be the same thing where me and my twin is doing another party with family and friends, but this time it is 70s theme for our birthday. So today is Thursday. Our birthday's not till Saturday, but I gotta get some things done. So today's my nail appointment. I already got my eyebrows waxed. I just need to get my nails done, and then tomorrow will be my hair appointment, and then I'll pretty much be done. This Saturday, of course, gotta get the makeup done, and you guys will see the finished look. So I just got to my nail appointment. Time for me to head up in here. Yep, here it is.
And so we were just,
and here's the finished results of my nails, even though I didn't record the whole process. These are so cute.
period.
If you're from Kansas City, definitely go to Jalea page. I'm gonna put her link right here so you guys will be able to go to her page and book with her if you want. Because yes, welcome back. It is now the 12th. It's a Friday. Tomorrow is the big day for the birthday party. Today is hair appointment day. Hi. It is hair time. All right, here is the finished result. We tested out some equipment we got for our party, and look at this shit. Don't worry, we'll get you in it. It's like a club in here. It's 6:30, and I am running day 2 of 4 hours sleep. Oh, and she wants them to be perfect circle like this. We already got the cake. I'm about to go to my makeup appointment. I'm gonna show you guys what the cake look like once I get back from makeup appointment. But yes, we are definitely on a time crunch right now. We're gonna head up in here now. It is currently 3:03. She got done right on time at 3 o'clock. And y'all, look at this. I mean, this is so pretty. It was inspired by Doja Cat. It goes perfect with my outfit, so yes, I love it. She did an amazing job. I'm gonna tag her Instagram too if you ever want to hit her up to get your makeup done in Kansas City. But yeah, she did amazing. So I gotta go. Yeah, it is currently 4:15 and we have to be out here by 5:30. Okay, we are done for the most part. We're done. I curled it. This is as good as it's going to get for me. All right, we are finally made it. We got the balloons going. I ain't dressed yet, but no, Lauren's not dressed yet. Here's our place.
Oh, you feel like that's too out of place? I don't think it's out of place. Okay.
Then we got a stage. We got the tables set up with the tablecloths. The tablecloths sadly do not fit the tables because we wasn't expecting the table to be this big. But it's okay, still looks decent, I guess. We got all these balloons to do. All these balloons. We gotta try to put these things up, but we're short, so we're gonna play a video. Why you hold it in the hand?
Why you gotta have phenomenal leg days?
Let's see if your legs is strong enough, Mars. You go, I don't got it.
Is this balloons I bring? Shit, look over here. We got hella though. We got more.
We're gonna just do this a different time. We finally finished. My hair is a mess, but we done. We got our wall. Fix what? You know, let me get dressed first, and then I'll work on that. Damn, a lot fell down actually. Anyways, the setup is done. We got these cute little things where people walk in. And then we got beer pong to play with. The balloons, I don't know. I think this is just, why we got all the balloons over here? Is this over there?
I guess we can take pictures like this.
Yeah, I guess. Tables is set up. We got our stereo up, speaker up there and our lights. And then over here, this is where all the drinks are at. It's time for me to finally get dressed. The party starts at 7 and it is 7:22. Here's this. And we are finally done. Alright, Maya's eating right now, so But as you guys can see, people have been arriving, which is good. I don't think a lot of people gonna start showing up to like around like 9, but it's cool because it's still like a good vibe. But we already doing games right now. EJ's having more fun than anybody else. Oh my god. It's so good. It's so good.
Yes. I don't know who made the spaghetti.
My auntie Tracy.
Auntie Tracy put her foot in the spaghetti, okay?
You gonna get on the mic and do a toast to us?
A toast? What you want me to do?
You got the toast.
What do you mean you do a toast? I want to appreciate my best friend in the whole wide world, Brianna. No, Brianna. The whole wide world.
Okay.
Deja! I'm just vlogging. This is so cute. It is. This is cute.
Okay, wait again. I'm sorry. Hold on.
Hey, so let's dance. Go on No, it's not mine. You look good. Okay, Willie. Okay. Okay, Lauren. Oh! God, it's my second one. It's my second. That's like her 22nd one. Wow. On party.
Exactly. Hey, that's what they need to be doing anyway.
Period.
They don't need to be out here.
Okay. Okay, Egypt. Look. Oh, okay.
This is not the right song for that shit. What the fuck are you doing? Okay, I need some more shot number 4. This is shot number 4. What's the reason why? Y'all take another shot? Oh, I guess. Okay, I'll forget everybody Joe's shot. Everybody got to see Joe's shot too. Okay. Oh, that's the man. Is it me?
Need a drum roll, please. Oh, you guys can do better than that. I need a drum roll, for real. Auntie Arlene!
That's my auntie, bitches. My auntie won the game. Guess how many kisses in the jar? Just to let y'all know. So, are we ready for our Jello shots, bitches?
Yeah, are you ready?
I'm ready. Oh no! Oh, I don't know, Mom.
You gotta put your tongue around it and then it come out.
Dee, don't act like you don't know use your tongue. He said he don't use his tongue. Okay, Dee. I see you working it. I see you working it. Work it, Dee. Work it.
Yeah, I don't know anybody you no more.
There you go.
Everybody coming up. Hold on. Y'all better come on, honey. We need you over here. I love it.
Oh my God.
Y'all
Little bro fatty, little bro neat. Off the way. Oh, look at Joy. You know Joy don't play. Oh yeah, this is my sister, birthday girl number 1. Y'all probably are. Don't record me. Picture. All right. What do you say?
We got Brianna. Yep, we got Brianna turning 25. Alright? And then we got Ani, okay? Turning 25 as well. So when we sing this happy birthday, it is Brianna and Ani. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Before I cut the music back on, would you guys like to say any words?
No.
Okay.
But thank you all for coming. I really appreciate everyone. Let's play, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed your time and had fun.
Thank you for everybody that came. That's all I gotta say. And I really hope y'all eat that salad bar because it was over $100. It was over $100. Please eat up all the food. Please.
Hey, y'all want some Jello shots, y'all need to call me, Lauren, alright? Follow me on Instagram, hi_I'm Lauren G, okay? I'm making the Jello shots. Alright, we got a Modelo in her hand. This is not sponsored, but this is how we do it on the 70s night, alright?
You know.
Stay fly, stay focused, stay fresh.
Yeah.